Yo, what's up? It's your boy EV Smoke ATX. Welcome to the channel. I'm gonna do a quick video here of me unboxing a special gift that came in finally. One of my special hats that I feel that I'm gonna add to the collection here. Everybody know I'm a big Jay-Z fan that knows me, Rock Nation. So let's get into it right quick. I do an unboxing here. Hey Meta, start recording. Yeah. Greatness is a process. You already know. Oh yeah, check it out. It's that Paper Planes Rock Nation Jay-Z Super Bowl 59 edition. It finally came in here, and even though I'm a New Orleans Saints fan, of course, but it was still done in New Orleans, and it still represents the New Orleans colors at black and gold. You already know. But yeah, NFL Super Bowl 59. All right, so you see NFL Super Bowl 59 here, Plains edition. Yeah. New Orleans, February the 9th of 2015. You see it. Trucker style, snapback, black and gold colors. NFL, Plains, authentic. So yeah, just want to show a quick video here of this one here, but also I want to show while I'm at it, I'm going to show a couple of my other favorites here, Plains hats in the Jay-Z Rock Nation. So right here I have, you have the pink one and the black On the Run 2 tour hats. This is, I guess, was representing Beyonce because they did the concert together. And the black one here, On the Run tour. You see it. You see it. Then they have the J and B. You know what that means. You already know. Bam. But also too, I want to show right quick. It's on my head right quick. I'm going to take off here for the camera. One of my favorite one of all times, the Plains, the 444 album, 13, Jay-Z's 13th album, 444, which was one of the impact albums to my life, I would say, as growing up to be a family man. But look here, you see it, 444 tour, limited edition. And as you can see, I got the shirt on as well, representing. Rock Nation Paper Planes hat collections. Hey, what can I say? You like what you like. It's your boy EV Smoke. Like, share, subscribe. We got more to come. Peace.